Hi, my name's Scott. It's July 3rd, 2012, and I'm taping from or recording from Tucson, Arizona, and I'm going to show you how to replace a spinnerbait skirt. Alright, here we go. Got my camera mounted. Alright, here's a typical spinnerbait that needs some work. As you can see, the band that holds the skirt on has fallen apart. It's stretched out. So I'm going to just go ahead and remove that and show you something really cool. So I have the skirt off. I'm removing the band that just didn't hold up, especially in the Arizona heat. They do not hold up for very long, a few years and that's it. I happen to like the color blue on my spinnerbaits. Here's a blue skirt from Bass Pro Shops, and what I'm going to do is add just a couple strands of blue to the spinnerbait if I can get it off of here. Kind of stretches like a rubber band. You can see these strands are a little bit longer than the one that came with this particular spinnerbait. Kind of like to make sure they're mixed in real good with the black and white here. Sometimes the skirts tend to, the strands tend to stick together, so you might have to pull those apart. Try to get them as even as possible. If they're not lined up, it's okay, they can be fixed later. Here's the really cool part. Here is some what's called paper tape. I acquired this from a friend that's used in the medical field for bandages or whatever. So anyway, it's very thin and sticky. So I'll show you something really cool. Here's another part of my repair kit. Some O-rings from Ace Hardware. A variety of sizes, diameters, shapes, colors. Alright, here we go. Get your skirt kind of bunched up like this. Take your tape, lost a strand there. Anyway, get that tape rolling around the skirt. This is sticky stuff. Run it out to the end, kind of till it's pointed. Tear that off. Spin it, make a point. Alright, there's the skirt. Alright, there's a variety of sizes of O-rings. And here's two. They're similar, but they're not exact. You got to kind of give your best guess as to what's going to go around the diameter of the body of the bait. So I'm going to go ahead and use, based on what I see there, I'm going to use this O-ring. There's a strand that I missed. So anyway, it's a piece of cake getting this O-ring on here. Put it over the tape. Roll it on. Okay. Find the end of that tape and get rid of it. Like I say, it is sticky. Alright. Not all the strands are lined up, but you can take care of that by pulling out, stretching out the shortest one, or the shortest ones. Try to make them even with the rest of the group. As you can see on this side, there's some really long ones. A couple are blue, so you look for the short blue ones on this end. There's another short blue one in there somewhere. Must be this one. Alright, a little bit better. There's a short white one in there somewhere. Well, this really long one here, I want to kind of find out which one that is. There it is. Stretch that back over here to this side. Alright, kind of even, but a little messy because I'm trying to make this a short video, and typically manufacturers will sometimes put the O-ring or band towards one end or the other, so that as the skirt bends over, the longer end kind of wraps around towards the back. You can do it any way you want, but and I do prefer to move the O-ring towards one end, and then run the longer end onto the hook first, which is what I'm going to do now. Run that hook in there, make sure nothing gets pinched, and roll that skirt and O-ring right up onto that body, and there you go, replacement band. If you don't like how uneven the strands may be, of course you can always take a pair of scissors and cut some of the longer ones. And that's how you do it.